is adorable and wonderful, wonderful actor. Darshil, I think, is a born superhero. Adults will enjoy the film as much as the children. The main superpower Zokomon has in the film is his inner strength. I had decided that, अगर कुछ करना है तो अच्छा करना है, नहीं तो नहीं करना है.
Manjari Farnes of the Jaane Tu Na Jaane Kya fame has Zokomon as her latest release. Find out what she has to say about this superhero film.
I have been so thrilled ever since the day I have signed this film for a lot of reasons. First of all, it is a child superhero film. The first child superhero film made in the history of Indian cinema. Plus, it is, the entry of a giant called the Walt Disney Studios. Plus, it's a great role that I'm playing in this film. So, and plus, it's got the action direction of William Ong, who has directed Jackie Chan. And of course, working with Darshil, he is adorable and wonderful, wonderful actor. And Anupam Kher sir. I have all the reasons to be excited and super excited. Zokomon is a very simple story of this very ordinary boy who has his own weaknesses which he makes into his strength and becomes a superhero and inspiration to a lot of people, not just children. But I think it's very inspirational. We have this line in our film called "Man mein hai vishwas to har dar hai bakwas."
डर गए?
किसी से नहीं डरता.
Good. मन में है विश्वास तो हर डर है बकवास.
I think it's a very, very inspirational line and I totally believe in it. And that's what the small boy teaches you. So, how much ever people might think that child superhero film is a children's film. But no, I think it's a film that it'll have a universal appeal. Once you watch it, it's like adults will enjoy the film as much as the children. I play this girl called Kittu in the film. Now Kittu is, she's again an orphan. She doesn't have anyone in this world. उसका दुनिया में कोई भी नहीं है. And वो सोचती है कि ये पूरी दुनिया उसका घर है.
ये जगह आपकी है?
कुणाल, एक कलाकार के लिए ना ये सारा संसार उसका घर होता है. मैं दिन भर लोगों के पोर्ट्रेट्स बनाती हूँ और रात को जगह मेरा घर बन जाती है.
So she doesn't like to be tied down to a house. तो वो कहीं अपने लिए छोटा सा घर बना लेगी in a mall, or she'll make a small house for herself in a warehouse. That's where she's staying illegally. And a lot of times, because of that, she's popular with the jailers because, she's always put behind bars because of trespassing. So this is the kind of a character she is, and she loves everybody. She genuinely वो सबको अपना मानती है. So that is Kittu for you. And how Darshil and I bump into each other, and how we both orphans find a family in each other. So it's a very emotional story about that as well. That's one aspect of it. The main superpower Zokomon has in the film is his inner strength, hard work, determination. That's what I would say is his major strength of Zokomon, because Zokomon is not about supernatural powers. Zokomon is about learnt, worked hard at, scientifically, technologically used powers. I would say that Darshil, I think, is a born superhero because I'd like to mention one incident which I remember very, very, very well. I think he was born to play Zokomon and be a superhero because, he's a very brave boy. And I still remember, we both are Shamak Davar students. I still remember long back in Summer Funk and all, when we had participated, he was dancing on stage and all, and he was supposed to jump into the audiences and then dance amongst the audiences and all. And suddenly, you see, he jumps down and he falls on his face. And he's bleeding, his tooth has broken, and he's all bleeding, all Dracula types and all. But that boy didn't stop. He was so brave. He just went on with the steps and did not stop for a second, and everybody in the audiences was cheering him. For a small boy to have such a presence of mind and know that, I don't want to spoil this for the world. Hell with my teeth, I'm going to dance. I think that was really brave of him, and very, 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 very intelligent and very good presence of mind. Luckily, I find a bond with children very, very fast. And I get along with them really well. And Darshil, being a mad kid, he was like a lot of fun to work with, this ball of energy. And I think we both had a stunning time together shooting, and especially for this song called Ina Meena Maina Mo.
दुनिया में कितना उल्टा सीधा है मेरे दिल ने तो बस ये सीखा है जिसमें खुशी है वही जिंदगी है गाओ इना मीना माइना मो होता है जो होने दो.
It was like really energetic song, again choreographed by Shamak Davar, and we both are his students, so we were like very comfortable because we worked with this team and everything. It was full of energy, the song, and 5 days of shoot for a 3-minute song, and like I had like 16 different changes, 16 different looks in the film, like Catherine Zeta-Jones, be it Anarkali, be it Paro from Devdas, be it Julie Andrews look. I mean, Rockstar. I mean, like it was crazy. It was like a killer song, and. In that song, we had a great time, especially. And there was one incident I also would want to tell you from that song. There was this dance step we were doing, and by mistake, I just ended up knocking Darshil's face off. And poor thing, he had braces that time, and he got hurt in his mouth and all, his bleeding and everything. But he did not stop the shot. He continued to shoot till they said cut. He did not react to being hurt. So I thought that was really, really nice of him. Anupam sir was again a great honor and pleasure to work with. I mean, he's playing a double role. I mean, he had this, you can see he's done all prosthetic makeup and all in the other character of Magic in the film. And you wouldn't recognize him in that. I mean, now that you know that you can relate to it. But otherwise, people have always seen his photograph and said, "Ye kaun hai?" And we've always been like, he's a Russian actor called, we just gave him some name, but that's not true. That's Anupam Kher. He was, again, a very beautiful learning experience because I had only one confrontation scene with him in the film. I saw him perform, and it's always like a great learning experience to watch an a senior actor perform, because one take and he just hit the chord right. And yeah, so he was wonderful. See, after Jani Tu, a lot of things changed for me, for the good. I was getting a lot of offers from the front. I had decided that, agar kuch karna hai to acha karna hai, nahi to nahi karna hai, So maybe because of that, I kind of stayed away. I think after Jaane Tu, within 3-4 months of Jaane Tu, Zokomon came my way. And that was the only project which, amongst all the projects that were being offered to me, that was the only project which I felt like, I want to be a part of this. I want to be Kittu. I want to play Kittu, That's why I immediately did that. But it took some time to release. Otherwise, it would have been my immediate next release after Jaane Tu. But never too late. Well, there's some talks going on right now, but I don't think I can talk about it right now.
Ina meena maina mo ina meena maina mo हंसते रहना जो भी हो.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.